Hi guys, it's ASBYT, and in my last video I reviewed this little beaut, the Oppo Find X2 Pro, but in today's video we turn our attention to Oppo's sister company OnePlus, because they might be about to one-up them. That was terrible. Let's get straight to it. Do just what you want. So starting with design, and this is a controversial one. If you love the look of last year's OnePlus 7 and 7T Pros, then chances are you're going to be a happy little bunny. But if you were looking for drastic changes, then this unfortunately is probably going to disappoint. Because from all of the latest leaks and renders, it has an almost identical look to the back. And the only real change on the front is the move from the pop-up selfie camera to the punch hole cutout on the top left, housing a rumoured 32 megapixel lens. And definitely let me know in the comments your opinion on that change. From my point of view, I think it's a rather welcome one, due to the speed and ease of Face ID, etc. And the positioning of the cutout at the top left is probably my favourite of all positions.
That's what she said!
As when gaming or viewing media, I feel it's the least intrusive. Design, dare I say, it feels like a very almost Apple-esque move due to the very minor aesthetical changes. Under the hood, however, is where the changes are going to be. The upgraded latest Snapdragon 865, up to 12GB of RAM, and for those craving more storage might be a little bit disappointed at the rumoured max 256GB. We very much doubt there's going to be more than this, as OnePlus CEO Pete Lau stated only a year ago the move to higher onboard storage wouldn't happen due to the advancements in cloud storage because of 5G. And along those lines, OnePlus have also confirmed that all models in the OnePlus 8 range will support 5G. The expected jump in battery to 4500 mAh may not be the biggest, but considering the Oppo Find X2 Pro at 4260 mAh gives me easily 6 hours plus screen on time, with refresh rate and resolution set to auto, fills me with great confidence that this might be the little bump that we need from the 7 and 7T Pro that left a little bit to be desired. On top of that, OnePlus are believed to be announcing their brand new charging technology, OnePlus Warp Charge 50. 50 watts fast charging, which we believe is going to provide from 0 to 100% in around 45 minutes. So not quite the witchcraft 65 watt super VOOC charge from Oppo, but still hugely impressive. Talking of high refresh rates, we will also see the same 120Hz as the Find X2 Pro and the Galaxy S20 range, tweaked up from the 90Hz on the 7 and 7T Pros of last year. Does 120Hz feel different from 90? Yes. Is it hugely different? No, but it's certainly a big jump from 60Hz. And that display is rumoured to be a 6.6-inch Quad HD Plus Fluid AMOLED panel. The camera setup is believed to contain a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a time of flight depth sensor as well. Now, two big negatives that some of you guys have voiced in the past about previous OnePlus devices have been no wireless charging and no IP rating. And based on the Find X2 Pro, we may have some good news and some bad news on that front. We know as Oppo and OnePlus are under BBK Electronics, they do share a lot of technologies and features each year, so the fact we have an IP68 rating on here but no wireless charging might give a big clue as to where we're headed with the OnePlus 8 Pro. So the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is rumoured to be launching in April, unless delays occur due to the ongoing global situation, is no doubt going to be a terrific phone. Very similar to this bad boy, which is quite possibly one of my favourite phones currently available right now. But crucially, knowing OnePlus's history, the idea of flagship for less, expect a lower retail price than this, and that's certainly doable considering again those lower storage options. With that said, I do presume it's going to be more expensive than last year's model just due to the sheer jump in cost of the Snapdragon 865, which is a lot higher than the 855 from last year. On one hand, I really can't wait for the OnePlus 8 Pro, but on the other hand, due to the non-radical design, if all the leaks are to be true, it will feel more of a tweaked T variant than a new generation. But I suppose that is the problem of their 6-month launch cycles. Pricing, as every year, is going to be crucial for OnePlus, and let me know in the comment section below how much you would pay. What's the maximum you would pay for the OnePlus 8 Pro? Like and share if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video on anything tech, news, unboxings, reviews. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Say ASBYT, peace out. Do just what you want.